Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Football View. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today, Asante Kotoko will be facing Bechem United in the Ghana Premier League, and I think it's going to be one of the games of the season because it is kind of game that defines your season. It tells you if you're going to have a very good season or not. Bechem United are very good at home, and I think Kotoko will go there and will try to upset them at the Nana Jebo Park. Considering the fact that Kotoko won the game 3-0 and Bechem United are always good at home, it's going to be an interesting game. It's going to be a very difficult game for the Porcupines. Kotoko have to stick to the basics. We all know that Kotoko play very well at the Barbara Stadium because of the nature of the pitch, how good it is, how smooth they can pass the ball. They should also prepare for parks where the field, the pitch is horrible, and it's difficult to pass the ball and create chances and all that. We have to adapt to that kind of pitch as well. So I think that is the kind of pitch they are going to face at Bechem United. Don't be surprised when you see the match and balls will be bouncing up and down. When they pass the ball, it won't go to the intended person because of the nature of the pitch. So Kotoko should also be prepared for that. Bechem United are also good with their defense is always good. Yeah, Bechem United has a very good defense. The defense is always good, and their coach Kasim Mingo is one of the coach that has this what do you call it, history with Kotoko. He likes talking when Bechem United face Kotoko, so he'll be going out with full force, telling the boys we have to beat them here. Remember what they did to us at Barbara Stadium. They played very well. I mean, they won that game. So when they come here, you beat them and we get a 3 points. But I'm expecting Seydou Zebo and his boys to go there and get a convincing win. So I'm expecting Kotoko to go that game with full force, play very well, and get all the points in this particular fixture. Now, talking about the formation and the players they'll be using, I'm not expecting Seydou Zebo to change the dynamics and the personnel that played the King Faisal game. I'm expecting him to maintain the same starting 11 against Bechem United. I'm expecting him to start the same team he started against King Faisal in the last game. So, if you ask for my predictions, now it's going to be a very difficult game. Bechem United, their defense are very good. Kotoko have to be extremely good to beat Bechem United with, to score 3 goals away from home against Bechem United. So if you're asking me my prediction, my scoreline, I'll give you Kotoko win 2-1. Yes, I think it's going to be a narrow win. If Kotoko won't score up to 2, I think it's going to be a 1-0 win. I know a lot of people will be predicting a draw in this kind of game because this kind of fixture, Bechem United will stop Kotoko from scoring. So I'm predicting a 1-0 win for Kotoko or a 2-1 win for Kotoko. I would like to know your own prediction. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. Do you think Kotoko can beat Bechem United? Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. This is my short preview of that game. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's all I have for you today. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.